What is the Ally Bank controversy? Have you ever heard of Ally Bank? It's a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly platform. But recently, Ally Bank has been caught in a bit of controversy. Let's dive into the details. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Ally Bank is. It's an online bank that doesn't have physical branches. This allows them to offer higher interest rates on savings accounts compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They've gained a significant following, especially among younger generations and those seeking better returns on their savings. The controversy. So, what's all the fuss about? The controversy surrounding Ally Bank primarily revolves around a few key issues. Customer service complaints. A growing number of customers have taken to social media and online forums to express dissatisfaction with Ally Bank's customer service. Complaints range from long wait times to unhelpful representatives and issues with account access. Some customers have even reported difficulties in resolving simple issues, such as transferring funds or closing accounts. Technical glitches and outages. Ally Bank has experienced several technical glitches and outages in recent years, disrupting customer access to their accounts. These incidents have caused significant inconvenience for customers, particularly those who rely heavily on online banking. Changes in terms and conditions. Some customers have raised concerns about changes in Ally Bank's terms and conditions, such as reduced interest rates or increased fees. These changes can negatively impact customers' financial returns and overall satisfaction. Marketing practices. A few customers have questioned the transparency of Ally Bank's marketing practices, particularly regarding the disclosure of fees and terms. Some have alleged that Ally Bank's marketing materials may be misleading or incomplete. Analyzing the impact. These issues have had a significant impact on Ally Bank's reputation. Negative publicity can erode customer trust and lead to a decline in new customer acquisition. Moreover, it can also affect Ally Bank's ability to attract and retain top talent. How Ally Bank is responding. Ally Bank has acknowledged the customer service issues and technical glitches. They have taken steps to improve their customer support system, including hiring more representatives and investing in new technology. Additionally, they have been more transparent about changes in terms and conditions, providing clear explanations to customers. What does this mean for you? As a potential or existing Ally Bank customer, it's essential to stay informed and vigilant. Monitor your account activity closely, be aware of any changes in terms and conditions, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer service if you encounter any issues. Conclusion. While Ally Bank remains a popular online bank, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Consider the potential risks and benefits, and always do your own research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.